All Orbit X lights and fittings have been designed to make the installation as quick and easy as possible for the electrician on site, saving on installation time and installation costs. Our standard Titan and Neptune fittings have integrated lead, which means that the installation is quick and easy by just connecting the two wires, typical for a Class 2 fitting. We use metal clips to attach the lights to the surface or to the mounting area, and this can be to a ceiling, even a fiber ceiling, because the lights are so light, and P2000 trunking or any other type of surface that needs to be mounted to. First of all, the clips are mounted to the particular surface, and thereafter the fitting is just clipped into the clip. Quick and easy. Our tube lights also has got a specific or special retrofit modification made to them. We do supply tube lights that's got the normal metal pins, and I'm going to demonstrate to you now the retrofit one. This one has got plastic pins on either end, and these plastic pins fits into a normal fitting. Once the light is inserted, it makes no electrical contact because of the plastic pins, but it is supplied power through its integrated lead. And this is done by connecting the earth and the neutral that comes from the building directly into the light. With the SABS certification of the existing fitting remaining unaffected, because we did not make any modification to the existing fitting in terms of removing ballasts or changing wires, and the fact that the tube that Orbit X supplies are SABS tested, means that the entire installation remains compliant to SABS.